Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're here today to talk about saw blades. Now, normally I recommend that professional woodworkers get a good relationship with a professional tooling supplier and buy professional grade tooling. That's the best way to get the biggest bang for your bucks and to have really high performance tooling. But sometimes life gets in the way of those kinds of things. You know, maybe your blades haven't come back from the sharpener as fast as you thought they should. And, maybe you were cutting a bunch of really tough material like Ipe hardwood and it was dulling your blades really fast. Or maybe you had a little accident and your saw stop ate your saw blade. All those things could leave you short, and so you run down to the local home center and see if they have a blade that can get you by. Well, Lowe's has now come out with a proprietary blade, or actually a whole line of tooling called Spyder brand, and we've previously reviewed the drill bits and thought they were pretty good. And now they have some saw blades, and they have 10-inch and 12-inch sizes. And they've been getting pretty good remarks from users online. So we thought we'd give them a try to see how they stand up and if maybe they could rescue you in one of those pinches when you can't get your professional grade tooling that you need. In the 10-inch size, there's a 40-tooth framing and 80-tooth fine. And then in the 12-inch, there is a 60-tooth framing and an 80-tooth fine cut, which we have on the miter saw right there, and we'll use that in just a minute. All of the blades have a anti-friction black coating. They have anti-vibration damping cuts that are filled with a polymer. And they all feature an alternate top bevel grind on the teeth, which is a pretty versatile grind that works for a lot of woodworking applications. So, pretty good specs. They claim that they last 6 times longer than regular saw blades. Well, I don't know what a regular saw blade is. I suspect they're talking about one that doesn't have carbide teeth. So I would take that with a big grain of salt. And I really wouldn't expect these to stand up to your professional grade tooling. I don't know exactly what the real manufacturer of these is. They claim to be German carbide and then assembled in China. So I don't know what that is. And so your mileage may vary, but let's see how one cuts. You can take a look at that edge. Pretty clean, not bad. And with the problem oak plywood, I'd be happy with that for working in a pinch. So as I said, your results certainly may vary in how you set up your machines and what you do and what you're cutting. But if you get stuck and you need a fast saw blade, maybe there is some rescue for you at your local home center. Worth checking out. They're certainly reasonable in price, and they seem to work pretty good. That's what we've got for today. We've got more tool reviews and new product news and the latest in woodworking news at woodworkingnetwork.com and in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.